Hi, and welcome to the third video in our Meet Dave series. You're watching this video for one of two reasons. Either you're looking for a way to work from home and earn an income online, or you have an existing business and you're looking to improve your results in terms of sales or commissions. Either way, you're at the right place. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, also hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos.
Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is Dave Sharp, author of The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Now, I was just shooting some training videos because along with this book, okay, we're going to give you lots of value. You're probably seeing this prop here sitting on my desk. It's not a gun. It's actually cash. And it's cash not to show off and be a douchebag on Facebook or YouTube. It's to show our students this is $36,500. That's $100 a day over the period of a year. And this model that I teach inside of this book can easily show somebody how to make $100 a day. Now I'm going to give you the digital version of this book, but I want to show you what's inside of this book. Not only do we have lots of obviously text and explanations, but we have charts and graphs, and we have all kinds of different examples of exactly how we do what's called my affiliate domination formula. And this is a completely different formula that you've ever seen before. Anybody can do it. Download the book. It's only $1.99, and I give you tons of awesome bonuses, including my 15-day online business builder challenge, which will show you video examples of how to do everything inside of this book. All right, head on over, click the link above or below, download my book right now, and I'll see you on the inside. You actually go through and grab the book, you buy it. I want to show you what you actually get. So this is our actual back office. Okay, we have a members area. And remember that 15-day business builder challenge that I told you you're going to get for free when you buy the book? Well, this is what you're actually going to get. This is a course worth thousands of dollars, literally, and I'm going to give it to you absolutely free. Let me show you what's inside. Now, when you come into our back office and you buy our challenge, you're going to land right on day number one. Day number one, I'm going to teach you the secret to building a actual high-ticket affiliate marketing business. All right, you're going to see that we have quizzes for you. We have opportunities for you to schedule calls to talk with us, okay, to actually have somebody from our team answer questions for you. Day two, we get in, and I'm going to teach you the core 4 top high-ticket business models. You're going to be blown away by this. It's not the business models that everybody else is teaching that are helping so many people fail and struggle. I'm going to show you the age-old business models that never go out of style, that are never trendy, hot, here today, gone tomorrow, but that have been quietly bringing in millions of dollars for affiliates and online marketers for over a decade. Day three, we get into actually building a business in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to show you an actual tutorial right over my shoulder of exactly how to do it. Day number 4, we're going to get into something so important, which is how to master the inner game of wealth. So many affiliates and online marketers skip over this, and I'm telling you, it's the secret why so many people struggle. Day 5, I'm going to help you actually develop a physical business plan, okay? The videos, by the way, are all also in high definition. They're shot right here in our studio in St. Petersburg, Florida, and I think you're really going to enjoy them. They get right to the point, meat and potatoes, no BS. I answer your questions, okay? I show you testimonials from other successful students, people who have made, some who are just getting started, made a couple hundred, some who have made a couple 100,000, okay? We have students from all over the world. I show you lots of those students. Day 7, we actually show you and talk about some of the real stuff, which is like, should I quit my job right away or not? This is not just a bunch of hoopla and hype. We want to teach you how to be a responsible and intelligent marketers. Day number 8, we get into high income skills. And then I jump right in day number 9 to talking about lead generation and showing you specifically what you need to know to become a lead generation, not a guru, not a master, but how to do it and how to do it right. Day number 10, we get into copywriting. This is a high income skill that for me has made me millions of dollars. Day number 11, we get into sales and presenting. Day number 12, what to outsource. So we talk about how to scale our business. Day number 13, using OPM, other people's money, to build your business. I show you some tricks and some strategies to be able to leverage other people's money. Day number 14, we actually get into how to avoid the wantrepreneur syndrome. This is more of that mental toughness, more of that entrepreneur thinking that you need to know to avoid what almost everybody else is doing out there that you see online. And day number 15, congratulations. You did it. You made it to the end. Now we're going to help you to get your very first sale. Okay. So this is what you're going to get inside of the Online Business Builder Challenge. This is going to be something that's unlike anything that you've ever gone through before. It's interactive. It's so highly valuable. It's so clean and simple to understand. Like I said, all of the videos, I'll just play real quick. You can see they're all done and shot right here inside of our studio. And then I take you just like I'm doing right now and show you over the shoulder exactly how to do this stuff. My friend, your struggle, all that nonsense, it's in the past. I'm ready to wipe your slate clean today. I believe in you. I've been doing this for 10 years. I know I can help you do it too. You just have to lower that skepticism, lower that doubt in yourself and in everybody that people are not succeeding, because here's the secret. People are quietly making millions of dollars in coffee shops and at home and traveling the world, leveraging the power of the internet and leveraging the power of selling other people's products. We can show you how to do the same thing. Click the link, get enrolled right now before we raise the price. It's only about 1 cup of that fancy coffee that you drink. Get enrolled right now. Let's get started. And just real quick, before I let you go, just let me show you, you're also going to get the affiliate marketing ebook. It's downloadable right here inside of your back office. And guess what? As a surprise, as a can't speak today, first day with the new mouth, really excited to get this in your hands. As a bonus, I'm going to also give you the audiobook, okay? So you're going to get the book, you're going to get the challenge, you're going to get templates and scripts, you're also going to get the audiobook, all right? Go grab the book right now. It's $1.99. I'll see you in the back office.